Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. I will show you how to open an account and use Kucoin Exchange in this tutorial. At the end of this tutorial you will learn how to sign up, transfer or buy crypto, stake, open and close spot or margin orders, participate in events and many more options. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to not miss out on our latest videos. Also you can follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and TikTok channels to keep up with the latest news and updates. Now, let's get started. Kucoin is a crypto exchange headquartered in Seychelles and launched in 2017. It is one of the largest global exchanges by trade volume and it has over 10 million users in more than 200 countries. Kucoin offers over 600 cryptocurrencies for users to buy and sell. Let's start with how to sign up. As in every other exchange, you must pay transaction fees for your market orders. And if you sign up with the link you can find below this video, you will receive a discount from those transactions. All you need to do is to click on this link and sign up with your email account or phone number. And make sure that this referral box is not empty, otherwise you will not receive any discounts. After signing up, our first task is to complete our KYC process. Each centralized exchange must verify its users to prevent money laundering and other criminal activities. To do that, we need to click on this profile icon and select KYC verification. You can verify your profile with your ID card, passport or driving license. Also, you must download the Kucoin app and upload several selfies and a personal payment receipt such as your recent internet bill. The verification process usually takes up to 30 minutes to 1 hour. After it, you can start investing in the crypto market and the first step will be transferring or buying crypto assets. On top of the left side, there is a buy crypto button. There are 3 ways of buying crypto, but the safest and the fastest way to buy crypto with fiat currency is to buy it with your bank or credit card. You can click on this fast rate button and select which fiat currency you would like to pay and which cryptocurrency you would like to receive. After selecting fiat and cryptocurrency options and typing the amount, we need to click on this buy button and add our card details. After purchasing our first crypto asset, we can look at its current value from the wallet icon. You can divide your crypto into several wallets such as your main, trading, margin, futures and financial accounts. And this might make it hard for you to track every single asset to see its current value. To shorten that time, Assets Overview shows how much worth of crypto you have in total in your account. The main account is your spot account and spot accounts are specific for spot market orders. Your cryptocurrencies are usually in your spot wallets. You can use the transfer button to transfer crypto assets within your wallets, such as you can transfer assets from your main account to trading account or any other account you can see on this list. You can select the coin that you would like to transfer and then type the amount in this box and click on this confirm button. We also have the withdraw and deposit options here. To withdraw crypto from Kucoin to another wallet, we must select which crypto we want to send and which network we would like to use for this transfer. We must add the wallet address in this box and always double check before you complete the transaction. If you are unfamiliar with the wallet process, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials. If you want to withdraw crypto to your fiat account, you can choose this option and the transfer method such as your bank card or bank number. You can deposit or withdraw fiat currencies such as US dollars or euro to your bank accounts through the deposit and withdraw buttons. Let's say you want to deposit crypto to your Kucoin account or want someone else to send it. Then you must click on this deposit button, select which cryptocurrency you want and which network you prefer. After selecting the coin and the network, your wallet address will be automatically ready. You can copy this address and use it for your payments or send it to your friends. Now that we have completed our KYC and deposited our first cryptocurrency, our next step is to protect our account. Why? Since the crypto is in digital form, it makes it easy for hackers to steal your assets. After all it takes is one tiny mistake and that's it. All your hard work savings are gone within a minute. And the worst thing is that you cannot do anything anything about it. As setting a password only is not enough, you must have the two-step authentication set for your account to prevent that. This way, whenever you or someone else tries to enter your account or transfer assets to another wallet, you or the hacker has to complete a set of security codes. You will receive these codes on your mobile phones as a message on your email accounts. Last but not least, it is always best to download an authenticator and link it with your profile to prevent any risk. To set up these security measures, click on your profile icon and select the account security option. Also, you can delete or freeze your account from here. Now let's go to the home page and explore the market option. As I said earlier, Kucoin supports trading for more than 600 cryptocurrencies, and you can access, observe and trade every single one of those currencies through the market button. Here we have the favorites, all, spot, futures and new listings options. Let's check the spot market. You can type the coin name from the search box and you can add your favorite cryptocurrencies to track them easily by clicking on this star icon. Also, you can see the latest market price, 24-hour percentage change, 24-hour low price, 24-hour high price and the 24-hour market volume. You can click on this details button to learn more about every coin, such as its definition and price graphic. Also, you can change your language and currency preferences through this icon. Now let's continue our training with spot trading. Spot trading is the safest way of trading compared to margin and futures trading. Spot trade refers to momentary trading in that specific time's market prices. You can't loan money or use leverage in spot trading. Here we have the parity option and you can select which parity you would like to use and then type the coin name in the search box. Currently, we are on the Bitcoin USDT parity and what you're seeing on the screen is our price graphic. On top of it, there are time intervals where you can track your assets for different periods starting from 1 minute till 1 week. Here we have the technical tools to do technical analysis, and if you are unfamiliar with the technical analysis, you can watch our technical analysis tutorials and learn more about it. Based on their analysis, traders use this graphic to track if the asset price will fall or increase. Also, you can look at the current market depth as the total number of buyers or sellers. You will see the price point for each buy and sell orders that matters in the current market. And based on this data, you can predict if the market price will go up or down. Here we have the limit, market and stop limit buttons. You must use the limit order button if you are waiting for a specific price point. You can type the price in this box and set the amount from here. After setting up, you can click on this buy or sell buttons. In this way, you can trade with less loss possible. For example, if I use the market button to buy or sell, since the market price is very volatile, I may buy at a higher price and sell at a lower price, which that should be the opposite. And also, as you can see, the set price option is gone now. The system will sell or buy assets based on their current market prices. Stop limit orders are must-use options. As I said earlier, the crypto market is very volatile, and since you cannot be on top of the computer screen all the time, you must set stop limit orders to reduce the chance of losing profit. For example, let's say I bought Bitcoin from 21,000 and expect it to increase to 23,000. But what if it doesn't? And what if I don't have access to my mobile or PC when it starts to decrease? For these types of reasons, one must always set stop loss limit orders. In this way, I can create a sell order at 20,800 and place a trigger for it at 20,900. If the price falls to 20,900, my sell order will open at 20,800. Here we have the order book to track current buy and sell positions. Also, you can switch it to only see buy or sell orders. Right next to it, we have the market trades, and here we can track the completed orders such as what as of buy or sell, when and how much. At the bottom left corner, you will see the open orders and order history dashboard. Here you can track your data and also cancel your order requests. Now let's continue with the margin trade option. You can either use these boxes or select margin trade from the trade option. I prefer these boxes because it's easier to access. Leverage trade is any trading that involves borrowing money or otherwise increasing the number of shares involved in trade beyond the number of shares you could afford when paying in cash. And for that reason, it is much easier to lose money. For example, if I open $100 worth of long position at 5x leverage, the system will buy $500 worth of Bitcoin. Since I don't have $500, if the Bitcoin price falls only 20%, I will lose my position and get liquidated. Losing money in margin and futures trading is this much easy. For that reason, I suggest you to stay in spot trading until you figure out how the market works. Also, you can watch our futures tutorial on our channel to learn more about it. Besides the risk factor, the order types are the same as the spot market. Here you can track your risk rate, total balance, and liquidation price if you have opened any position. In margin trading mode, you can loan money from the Kucoin Exchange and later pay it with interest. You can transfer your assets to your margin account by clicking in this transfer button and selecting which coins to send. Here we have the cross and isolated options. The difference is that if you want to open more than one position for more than one asset, you can open them in an isolated mode to prevent total liquidation. Because if you don't, your whole margin wallet will drop to zero when you get liquidated in one asset. Which brings us to the cross mode. The cross mode accounts for your total balance to reduce liquidation probability by maintaining margin requirements. Cross mode maximum leverage is 5x, but in isolated mode, you can increase this number up to 10x by clicking on this adjustment button. Here we have the grid option, and this is our trading bot. Nowadays, almost every exchange uses its trading bot to make trading easier for new users. Trading bot works based on specific algorithms and calculates the price fluctuations. Based on this data, trading bots automate trading strategies for profits. However, as this is a still developing system, instead of profiting, you may end up losing. There are two ways of using these bots. Either you can use the AI mode to keep it all autonomous, or the manual mode where you can set your price estimations. If you do it manually, you can also decide how many grids you would like to use. But keep in mind that for each grid, your investment requirement will increase. For example, let's set a high and low price in here, then select number of grids. For example, if my grid level is 5 for each $1,000 worth of price movement, this trading bot will sell or buy Bitcoin on my behalf. And based on my price level, the minimum amount I must invest will change. For example, I must invest a minimum of $75 at the moment if I want to use this trading bot. Now let's continue with derivatives and my favorite, the USDT future contracts. Again, we can use these boxes or select futures from the derivatives option. Futures trading refers to speculating on the price of cryptocurrencies without owning them. Like commodity or stock futures, crypto futures enables traders to bet on a digital currency's future price. Futures contracts of any underlying asset are derivatives of that asset. These contracts are bought or sold between two commodities investors, and they speculate about the asset's price at a specific date in the future. If you check the Bitcoin spot market price and the Bitcoin futures price, you will see the price difference and the volatility. Futures trading is pretty much the same as the margin trading, except you cannot loan money and you can open positions with a maximum of 100x leverage. But would you like to lose $1,000 in 2 seconds? Then this is the perfect way of doing it. However, if you don't want to lose at least within 2 seconds, you can decrease your leverage to 5x or 10x. Here again we have the limit and stop limit order options, and in addition you can use this calculator button to calculate your target level margin ratio and profits based on how much leverage you use. You can track your total balance and unrealized profit loss ratio at the bottom. Now let's continue our tour with the earn option and the crypto lending. You can lend or borrow crypto in the Kucoin Exchange. You can choose the coin you want to lend and set your expected daily interest rates and the loan term as of week or month. If you decide to borrow crypto, you must provide a collateral asset in return, and it must be financially borrowing something else in return. Kucoin Earn is our staking option. Crypto staking is locking up crypto holdings to obtain rewards and earn interest during a period. Staking allows investors to earn rewards on the cryptocurrencies that they own. You receive yields by committing your digital tokens to support the operation of the underlying blockchain. You are currently seeing the available staking options in the Kucoin Exchange. At the next of each option, you can see the estimated yearly revenue rate and the requirements. You can purchase the one you want from the spot market and click on this subscribe button. Staking period starts from 1 week to 1 year depending on the coin. And let's say you want your tokens back, you can click on this button again to reclaim it. But be aware that there will be penalties, such as you won't receive any rewards and your tokens will be back in your spot wallet only after several days. In addition, you can use the flexible option to redeem your rewards and stake assets without penalties. Also, you can find the featured events for newly listed tokens and promotions to receive more yield. Here on top you can see the total assets and daily interest. You can participate in the Polkadot Parachain slot auction by keeping DOT tokens and voting in one or all of those projects. And by doing so you will receive additional rewards. You can also stake your Ethereum coins to provide liquidity until the merge to receive passive income. You can watch our decentralized exchange tutorials to learn how to provide liquidity. Now we have the Kucoin Spotlight. Kucoin Spotlight is a launch platform and it is well known for its highly profitable token listings. Through this portal, you can participate in the new token listings and get a chance to receive airdrops. But you must complete these requirements, and also you can watch our pre-sales playlist to learn more about new token listings. Kucoin uses its native token and you can earn additional rewards by holding KCS tokens, and all of these rewards go to your main account. By holding KCS tokens you can also participate in KCS lottery events. Here you can see the ongoing and ended lotteries. You can purchase more than one ticket to increase your chances of winning. Here we have the mining options. If you are interested in mining, you can watch our Bitcoin from the scratch playlist to learn everything about it. You can use this calculator to estimate your daily Bitcoin or Ethereum earnings. Also you can use cloud mining and earn passive income by inviting more friends to Kucoin Exchange. Let's continue with the NFT option. We have three projects here. Windvane is a more open and inclusive decentralized NFT marketplace powered by Kucoin, which serves as a driving force in the industry. You can stake your NFTs to participate in NFT airdrop events. And speaking of airdrop events, Wonderland is also an interactive NFT launch platform designed by Kucoin for crypto and traditional games. You can use either of these platforms to buy or sell NFTs. Also you can watch our NFT tutorials to learn more about how to sell, how to mint, and how to track NFTs. You can use the Kucoin Wallet app to protect your NFT and coin assets. It is a Web3 wallet and you can download the app through your Play Store. We have the beginner zone and you can learn random rewards by completing tasks such as depositing money. Also you can use this dashboard to access the Kucoin blog, Kucoin news, Kucoin labs, rewards hub, referral services and promotions, or order a Kucoin card to use it as a bank card and pay with crypto. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channel. To keep up with the latest videos, news and updates, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and TikTok channels. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.